Libbey Craft Spirits Cognac Glasses. Libbey is one of the most reputable glassware brands in the Americas. The company was founded in 1818 in Massachusetts and is New England's glass company and changed its name to Libbey in 1892. There are many reasons why the snifter is one of the most popular cognac glasses, including its neat, simplistic, yet sophisticated design that suits every occasion, environment, and personal style. The short stem is smooth but sturdy, and designed make it easy to cradle the bowl of the glass to keep your cognac warm. Thanks to the wider bottom, your cognac can breathe and release all its wonderful aromas. Plus, the snifter is lead-free, which only enhances the sparkle. The attractive glass enhances the artisanal libations that cognac lovers simply adore. Besides cognac, this snifter is also roomy enough for cocktails and soft drinks, which only adds to the overall versatility of this piece of glassware. Made of high-quality glass, the snifter feels hefty and proper in hand, which is exactly what men want when sipping on cognac after a long day at work.